In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicate values in Excel in just 5 minutes. Whether you're dealing with a small data set or analyzing large amounts of data, identifying and managing duplicate values can be crucial for the accuracy of your results. So let's dive right in and make you an expert in handling duplicates in Excel. First things first, you'll need access to Microsoft Excel. For those who prefer not to install the software, Microsoft offers a free online version of Excel via Microsoft 365. You can begin by navigating to the Microsoft 365 online page. Here you'll find options to use Word, Excel, PowerPoint and more directly from your browser. It's a handy solution for those who are always on the move or those who work across multiple devices. Once you're on the Microsoft 365 online page, you'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. Signing in is a straightforward process. You'll just need to enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll be prompted to create one. After signing in successfully, you're ready to start working with Excel online. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's use a sample spreadsheet. Microsoft 365 allows you to either create a new workbook or open an existing one from your OneDrive. I've prepared an example for us to use today. Once your spreadsheet is loaded, the next step is to identify the data range where you suspect there might be duplicates. Excel makes this a breeze, but it's important to select only the cells you need to check. Selecting the entire worksheet could lead to unintended formatting or performance issues, especially with larger data sets. Now it's time for the magic to happen. Navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of your Excel window. This tab contains various tools for formatting and managing your workbook. What we're interested in today is the conditional formatting option. Conditional formatting provides a variety of options to visually enhance your data based on specific conditions, one of which includes highlighting duplicate values. After clicking on Conditional Formatting, a drop-down menu appears. Hover over the option that says Highlight Cells Rules. From the subsequent side menu, find and click on Duplicate Values. This opens a dialog box that allows you to specify how you want Excel to highlight duplicates. Within this dialog box, you can select from a range of formatting styles for your duplicates. Excel offers a default light red fill with dark red text, but feel free to choose any style that makes the duplicates stand out to you. This flexibility ensures that you can adapt the visual cues to your preferences or to the specific requirements of your project. Once you've made your choice, clicking OK or Done applies the conditional formatting rule to your selected data range. Instantly, all duplicate values within your selection light up in the format you've chosen, making them easy to spot at a glance. And just like that, you've taken a significant step towards cleaning up your data or analyzing it more effectively. Identifying duplicate information is vital in many scenarios. Whether you're consolidating records, verifying data uniqueness, or preparing datasets for analysis. With the ability to quickly find and highlight duplicates, you can ensure the integrity of your data in Excel. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Conditional formatting is dynamic. If you add or remove data in your selected range, Excel automatically updates the formatting to reflect any new duplicates. This real-time feedback can be incredibly helpful as you continue to work with your data. That's all for today's quick guide on finding and highlighting duplicate values in Excel. Whether you're an Excel newbie or a seasoned pro, mastering this function adds a powerful tool to your data management toolkit. Don't let duplicates trip you up. With just a few clicks, you can take control and keep your datasets clean and accurate. Happy analyzing and see you in the next tutorial.